Alright, so we have a GE dryer here, and this is the dual pulley, dual idler. Now these are a little bit harder to do, especially if you can't see. So I'm going to be putting it on and off and back on. So at least at the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it. Pretty straightforward. Basically, you're going to pull one pulley to the left, giving it some tension or taking tension off and allowing the belt to slip off. And then we're going to put it back on now, wrap it around the motor, and get the belt on the back side of the pulley, the left side of the pulley, facing the opposite side. So your side is going to be on the right side of the pulley, and on the other pulley, the left side. So basically, follow along the video, you can't go wrong. So it's basically like a U, right? Or a V, I should say, when it wraps around the motor and branches off to the idler pulleys. And always rotate your drum just to make sure that the belt is not twisted so it does not come off. So, alright, follow along. I will take it off again and back on until you guys get it. Alright, I think I did one of these videos probably 4 years ago, and the angle wasn't that perfect, so here you go. Nice, perfect. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching.